Read it.
And this Congress schema is looking very closely at a number of topics out in the Atlantic.
As you know, hurricanes are serious business. They can be very dangerous. Some people do not take the warning very seriously.
Who's trying funny? Who's trying Facebook? Who's that?
Well, read it.
I am.
Okay, well, turn the page and tell me about the next page.
Today. Tony Bader book.
All right, read it to me.
I am.
Okay, read it. Open the book. What's happening there?
Don't fail.
What's he looking for?
This is grasshopper.
Yeah, what's he doing there?
Always in the clothes and coffee.
I think he's looking for his teddy bear, ain't he? What's he doing there?
Monkeys in the clothes in the office.
And what's he doing there?
He's under the table.
And what's he doing there?
The teddy bear.
Where's, okay. What's he doing there?
He's learning.
He's what?
He's learning.
He's learning?
Yes, something cool.
What's he doing there?
When the teddy bear.
Say the end?
Car.
Say the end.
The end.
No, look at me. The end.
The end.